Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends GPU error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First things first, when you are in game itself, you want to press escape and then you're going to be redirected to this page where it says options and you want to choose the video option right there. After that, you will see all of these options. You can change here window mode, resolution, and so on and so forth. But what you want to do is go to advanced and you will see here FPS. So you want to lower your FPS if you can. Sometimes even 80 is a good option, and it should fix your problem. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, you can go ahead and leave the game. And now you will need to go ahead to your device manager. So you're going to write down here device manager, open it up and check for the display drivers. So you're going to click display adapters. Then you're going to choose NVIDIA GeForce. And here, as you can see, you can update the driver. So if you would click here and browse my computer for drivers, and if you would go here, as you can see, you are up to date, but you can go ahead and always check for updates on Windows. If there will be any, you can go ahead and download them. And also here you can search automatically for drivers. If they are not here, then it's all good. What you can also try to do is go ahead and uninstall your graphics card. If you want to, you can try that out too. And also on an NVIDIA itself, you can go to drivers and download your drivers which are available here. And that should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.